Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you're a streaming fan, this is the update you've literally been waiting for. We are finally unlocking Nuvio's highly anticipated arrival on Apple devices. So if you've been itching to get this platform onto your iPhone or iPad, well, you're in the exact right place. We're going to walk through the complete installation guide step by step. It's incredibly simple, and I'll make sure it's super easy to follow.
To really get why this is such a massive deal, we kind of have to look at where Nuvio has historically lived. For the longest time, right, the whole experience was firmly anchored to your living room. You had it on your Fire TV, maybe your Google TV, or those Android TV boxes. And don't get me wrong, it was fantastic. But ultimately, it was static. You were stuck on the couch. But now we've got mobile iOS freedom. We're talking about taking that exact same massive library of on-demand videos, documentaries, the anime, the whole shebang, and just slipping it right into your pocket. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just hiding from the big screen in the other room, you've got complete freedom to watch your favorite content anywhere you go.
Now here is an absolutely crucial detail I want to highlight right out of the gate. Are you ready? Zero rooting or jailbreaking required. Seriously, back in the day, getting a third-party streaming app onto an iOS device meant taking some pretty huge security risks, right? You had to navigate those complex, headache-inducing jailbreak processes. Not anymore. This right here is an official App Store release. That means it's totally secure, it's incredibly convenient, and you don't have to void your device's warranty just to watch a movie on the train.
But before we actually hit the App Store, there's one tiny prerequisite directly from the official setup guide, and it states this. Before installing, we recommend following our Nuvio setup guide that provides details for creating your free account and installing the app on a streaming device. Basically, the bottom line here is that your foundation has to be set up first. You absolutely must have your free Nuvio account created and ready to go before starting this mobile tutorial. So if you haven't done that yet, no worries. Just pause, get your account registered on a web browser or a streaming device first, and then jump right back in with us here.
All right, so assuming your account is good to go, let's head straight to the Apple App Store and actually get this thing installed. I'm going to slow things down just a beat here to make sure every single detail is crystal clear. Step 1. Open up your App Store and search for this exact term, Nuvio Media. You want to make sure it's the exact match so you don't accidentally download any weird clones. Step 2. Once you see that official app pop up in the results, just go ahead and hit Get. Step 3. Choose Install to start the download to your iPhone or iPad. Step 4. Just give it a sec to finish. And once that little loading circle wraps up, tap Open. And finally, Step 5. Just plug in those Nuvio account credentials you literally just set up and hit Sign In. Boom! 5 simple official steps.
Let's move forward and see how this builds out the whole experience. The second you hit Sign In, you are greeted with the Nuvio iOS home screen. This is a great moment, honestly, because it means the whole installation phase is officially in the rearview mirror. Now that we're successfully logged in, we actually get to transition from, just installing the app to really exploring this unified ecosystem that Nuvio has built.
And this perfectly illustrates where the platform's cross-compatibility really shines. Seamless ecosystem syncing. Because, let's be real, the appeal here isn't just playing video. It's the cross-platform sync. All of those complex setups you painstakingly created over on your Fire TV stick or your On 4K Pro, they instantly, and I mean perfectly, transfer right to your iPhone or iPad. Your third-party add-ons, your carefully curated collections, all your custom configurations, everything is exactly how you left it on the TV. You don't have to start from scratch. You just log in and bam, your entire customized entertainment world is right there, waiting for you.
The iOS version also brings over some really nice quality of life features. For example, Remember Last Profile. This is an advanced Nuvio setting that essentially makes sure your preferred account automatically launches every single time you open the app. It sounds like a tiny detail, I know, but it creates this incredibly frictionless, highly personalized viewing experience. You just tap the app icon and boom, you're instantly on your profile, ready to pick up exactly where you left off. No extra taps, no annoying menus getting in your way.
And hey, speaking of a frictionless experience, we definitely have to talk about notifications. This is a super elevated feature for Nuvio, alerting you the exact second a new episode drops for your favorite show or series. By enabling these notifications right in your iOS settings, you're really maximizing the true benefit of having Nuvio on a mobile device. You're not just, dragging your library around with you, you're staying instantly connected to it. When that highly anticipated anime episode finally drops, your phone buzzes and you are literally just one tap away from watching it.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is a fascinating little reality check we got directly from the community. There's this top reply from a user named SKTN77, and it says, "Give it a few weeks and Apple will remove it from the App Store like they did Streamio. Install it now while you can, and it should keep working after they delete it." This is a super intriguing insider fact. The landscape of streaming apps on iOS, it can be pretty volatile. So whether or not Apple actually decides to pull it down the line, the consensus is loud and clear.
urgency is key. By grabbing this official app right now while it's openly sitting right there in the store, you lock it into your Apple ecosystem. So if you're on the fence at all, you might really want to heed this community advice and act quickly.